Hi, I'm Tom from Motor Match Bolton, and today I'm going to be doing you a full walkthrough video on this approved used vehicle. Here we have the brilliant mini hatch 2 litre John Cooper Works Steptronic. It does come to us with the low mileage of just 12,091 miles on the clock, and it is petrol. If you are interested in this vehicle at any point during this video, please give us a call on 01204 786 586. It has had a service in 2022, there's more details regarding that on our website. Here you do have your stunning 17-inch alloy wheels that really complement the exterior very nicely. You do also have your LED headlights showing you always have crisp visibility, as well as your front and rear parking sensors, allowing you to get in and out of those tight narrow spaces without bumping your lovely new car. Here you can see you do have a very spacious boot, enough space for multiple suitcases and all your weekly shopping. The rear seats do come with a full leather upholstery finish. You also have your ISO fixings on either side there. Taking a look into the front, here you do have your full leather multifunction steering wheel, as well as your full leather upholstery finished front seats. Now these are extremely comfortable and you can set that perfect drive position with lumbar supports just below. Taking a look at your media display now. As you can see, this vehicle does come with some brilliant features that you can set it to your own preference. You can keep up to date with the vehicle service history. As you can see, it was serviced by Mini in 2022, shown here. It does come with satellite navigation, allowing you to get to those unknown destinations as quickly and safely as possible. You do also have access to the media and radio. As you can see, it does come with DAB radio as well as FM and AM, so you always have a wide range of different radio stations to choose from, but you can also play your favourite songs via the media option. You can also connect your mobile device via the Bluetooth option, allowing you to take hands-free phone calls a lot easier and a lot safer. And there's plenty more notifications and different features. Here you have your front and rear parking sensor display, as well as your reversing camera, allowing you to always be aware of your full surroundings. You do also have access to your different drive modes. You do have a choice of green, mid or sports, all depending on your driver preference. Here you do have access to all the vital information you might need when on the go, and it's very easy to set this display to your personal preference. You have your dual climate controls here, which does allow the driver and the passenger to set different temperature to one another, allowing for maximum comfort. You also have your heated seats for those cold British winter mornings. RAC extended warranty is available. For more information or go for a test drive, please give us a call on 01204 786 586 or inquire online now. Thank you for watching.